How's it going, guys? Check this out. Look what I got for you. I gathered up all of these castings out from my diecast collection. This is the 15 Hot Wheels Mazda MX-5 Miata diecast collection. Today I'm going to showcase to you every single variation that ever came out from 2016 all the way down to 2026, guys. As you can see, I have all 14, all of the variations from my collection. This casting made its first debut back in 2016 and it's designed by one of the coolest designer from Hot Wheels, Ryu Asada. And this is one of the coolest car he ever designed for Hot Wheels. All right, as you can see, all of these are die-cast. No rubber tires or anything premium that's ever came up except for this one and this one. Okay, we're going to showcase to you every single color and starting out with this one from 2016 in this beautiful red. Mind you guys, all of these castings all have plastic wheels, no rubber tires or anything premium that ever came out. Look at that, in this beautiful red with PR5 style plastic wheels and then slightly smoked out tinted windows and plastic interiors. Look at that, nice. All right, moving on to 2017 in this beautiful yellow with some Volt Racing race livery into it. Also comes with a PR5 plastic wheels, tinted windows, plastic interior, and chassis. Look at that, nice. And then moving on to the alternate color in this Eibach Spring race livery in this baby blue color with chromed out PR5 plastic wheels, slightly tinted windows, plastic interior, and plastic chassis. Nice. And then moving on to 2018 is a replica version of the famous Mad Mike with it. And this is his drift car that he competed for Formula Drift, if I'm not mistaken. This thing comes with two sets of wheels. One is lay-styled white plastic wheels, while the back portion is a MC5 with gray accent. Slightly baby blue tinted windows with dark gray plastic interior and plastic chassis. It's a nice piece, to be honest with you. And then this is the alternate color that came from that same year in this matte blue. Also comes with two sets of wheels. This one has a 10 spokes metallic blue and with MC5 blue accent. Also comes with this clear window, this blue clear window with white interior and dark gray plastic chassis. Nice. I like this one. This is so awesome. And then moving on to 2019. This is from the Nightburner 5-pack multi-pack set. And in this, what do you call this, Aero disc wheels with gold accent, blue windows, gray interior, chrome base. Nice. Okay, moving on to this color right here. It's supposed to be this one, but who cares? Anyway, this is from the 2021 Note 2020 in this gray with black painted 10-spoke plastic wheels, dark gray in chassis, black interior with smoked out windshield, and this matte gray with racing stripes. It looks like one of these cars are inspired by the MX-5 Global car. This is so freaking awesome. I like it. And then this is the alternate colors from the Then and Now series. The alternate color of that gray one in this beautiful dark red with white striping and white 10-spoke plastic wheels. Also comes with this black base, smoked out tinted windows, black interior. Nice. I like this one. So which one is your favorite lately? So far. So pick one. And then moving on to 2023 in this matte black. It's from the modified series, something like that. And then this gold PR5 plastic wheels with red base, gray interior and tinted windshield. Nice piece. There you go. I like these cars. And then this is the Walmart exclusive in this Zamac finish with this similar race livery from the previous. This one has the MC5 plastic wheels with red chrome accent, black base, baby blue tinted windows, red interior. Nice. Okay, moving on to 2024 in this olive green. I'm not sure if it's olive green or avocado green, whatever you want to call it. It's in this lace styled plastic wheels with white ring accent, tinted window with dark gray plastic interior, and also comes with this black base. Nice. So you like this kind of video? Are you a big fan of Miata and Hot Wheels at the same time? Give this video a like. You want to go further than that? Subscribe to the channel. Support this channel if you're a big fan of Miatas or any generations of Miatas, I would say. And this orange, which is the alternate color, and then with the 10-spoke plastic wheels with gray accent, plastic interior with smoked out windshield, dark gray or blacked out plastic chassis. Nice. All of these castings are all die cast with plastic, variety of plastic wheels. All right, no Hot Wheels Premium or RLC or ever came out, or maybe later in time. And this one is from 2025 in this beautiful red color, metallic red color. Like I said, all of these cars looks like it's just based off from the MX-5 Global Cup cars with some Hot Wheels design elements and twist and all that. This one has the 5-spoke traditional wheels with chrome ring accent, tinted windows with black interior. Nice piece. Okay, moving on to 2026, which is today's year. This is from the Hot Wheels semi-premium called the Silver Series. It's called the Compact Kings. Comes with this 5-car set, and this is one of them. Comes with this special style plastic wheel just made specifically for this series with some slightly upgraded paint color, I would say. Tinted windows, black interior, plastic chassis. Some of these models comes with die-cast chassis, but too sad it's not on this car. But I like this casting, to be honest with you. All right, so there you go, guys. What do you guys think about all of these casting? Are you a big fan of Mazda Miata? Which one is your favorite? Do you got them all, guys? So once again, this is your host Kumika, just showcase all of 14 variations of Hot Wheels Mazda MX-5 Miata from Hot Wheels for another episode of Delicious Live TV.